Unboxing Govo 945 earbuds. Govo 945 True Wireless Earbuds. 52 hours battery, 52 hours playtime to enjoy your favorite music. Scan the code for getting rewards and getting reviews. Let's unbox. Gently remove. Finally, the product Govo. It's nice design. It comes with Bluetooth V53, 5.3 rich sound, water resistance and auto connects TWS. Its gaming mode also supportable. Let's see. Looks like crazy, man. Awesome earbuds. I prefer to use Govo company for getting better understanding and more experience with sound bass and those things. Contact Govo. Nice design, looks like iPhone earbuds. Crazy. Remaining stuffs comes manuals and those things.